Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're like me and you have your bestie that's always with you, then you're gonna want to check out this love seat from Mountain Gear.
What's really great about it is that it fits 2 people, but you only have to carry 1 chair. So, I mean, how cool is that? What's great about it being a love seat is that it is 2 separate chairs put into one. So you have your own space, but then also you are joined together, so it's easy to share snacks and it's easy to share your blanket without anything getting in the way. I have found this chair very comfortable to sit in. It is a quilted, so that means it's going to be thicker than your standard camping chair, so it adds a little bit more padding and therefore makes it more comfortable. The frame itself is very compact and sturdy, so at no point do you ever feel like you're going to fall out of it. The cup holders are a little bit bigger than standard, so you can like fit a cup and maybe a little something else. And of course it has the mesh to make sure nothing is going to fall out of it. It's very easy to transport. I'm not that very tall, so the chair kind of looks like the same size as me, but it does come in its own sleeve. That way it's easy to transport. It has a handle on it. It makes it easy to carry. And overall, the weight of it is very easy to carry and to put into the car. I've really enjoyed having this camping chair for using it for all sorts of outdoor activities, and especially looking towards summer, I'm so excited to bring it everywhere with me. That way, no matter what, I always have 2 chairs with me.
At your next bonfire or any outdoor gathering, if you want to make everyone jealous, then you're going to want this seat that you can fit 2 people. It's super comfortable and it looks amazing, but that's just my point of view.